guys, Tony Karamitsos here for Michigan Motorsports. I'm the sales and product manager here. I wanted to take a minute to highlight our very own Michigan Motorsports flex plates. We've been offering these for a little while now, and they're an awesome solution to your build. We've got 3 tiers. We have the black edition, the platinum, and the gold. And each is designed for different applications, different power levels, and budgets in mind. These flex plates are compatible with LS, LT engines and work with transmissions like the 4L60, the 4L80. Can also work with Turbo 400, the Turbo 350, and 700 R4. Depending on your build, we also offer crankshaft adapters and flex plate spacers to help adapt your non-LS LT torque converter to your engine. Whether you're building, for the street, or the track or a high power setup, these flex plates give you the performance and reliability that you need. Reach out with any questions, and don't forget to check out our website, michiganmotorsports.com, for all your build needs. Thanks for watching.